Hi guys, Chuck_2796 and today we've got another unboxing video for you today. So today we're doing this. So yes, this came from Amazon. This actually came from MME1, which is one of the new sites up in Darlington. And the reason we got this is a sponsorship. So this is by a company called yootech. We've got quite a few of their stuff. I think all of the wireless chargers are yootech that we use. But let's just crack into it and see what we think of it. So, this was a sponsorship, as I say, by a company called yootech. Comes from Amazon, so they send us the money, then we buy it. They send it via PayPal, then we buy it. Have to send them a receipt to prove it's been bought, and an order number so we don't cancel it. So, as you can see, it just says yootech here, and I haven't brought it now for me because I didn't expect this. So this is a wireless charging pad, model LF900/LF910. So this is the model here, and then these are the important informations that you might want to read. So you can just pause that there if you want to read them. So it says the company so it's got seller information, manufacturer information, and European representative. So let's just see if we can actually get into it. I don't know if you actually want to read that information. You probably don't, because if you buy a product you're not bothered about what it looks like that was information. So I'm just trying to get into it without having to need a knife, without having to use my teeth either. So just turned into a bit more tricky than I thought. But there we go, bit of pressure and a bit of strength and you get there. So let's actually have a look at this. How do you get into it? So you get into it at the top. So as we open it up, hopefully, so the box is empty. So what do you get? You get a lifetime warranty registration card. It says, congratulations, you are a lucky dog. Get your free wireless charger. So, appreciate your order from our store. Congratulations, you win a chance to get a free wireless charger. Here are the steps for a lifetime warranty, registration and gift claim. Scan the QR code below. Please enter your order information along with the activation code below to activate your lifetime warranty. So we can't do this, unfortunately, because we didn't. So we are exempt from that because it is a sponsorship. So, and then you've got some instructions here, and you've got the Italian. You have Italian and Espanol, French, Dutch, and English. So it will charge slim cases within 4mm. It won't charge cases over 4mm. It won't charge a metal ring case or magnetic pad. It comes original cable and high quality phone original adapter. So it just says please use a good brand 5V 2A adapter or 9V 2A or 12V 1.5 fast charging adapter. Connecting power with USB port. The indicator will light up for 3 seconds when power is on. So locate your phone on the charging pad and make sure it's at sweet spot for effective charging. It's at a sweet spot. It just says it's at sweet spot. 2. So when the phone is charged successfully, the LED indicator will light up for 16 seconds, then off to keep the whole charging process sleep friendly. So let's actually have a look at this then. So it's actually quite a nice little charger. I might have to put this on the desk actually. This might become a new desk charger. So this is it. Quite. It's metal. Is it metal? I need some metal to test it. No, that's definitely metal because it's cold. That's definitely metal. Plastic doesn't get cold. Like you do this, it's not cold. This is definitely metal. So yeah, this is probably going to be a new charging pad for on the desk. So it uses a USB-C by all accounts. Is it USB-C? Yeah, it uses USB-C to charge. So let's have a proper look at this then. So this is what it looks like, and this. So there's a USB-C. It's got a nice little 4 grips on. So yeah, this is going to definitely be our new charger pad from our desk. We're going to install this today as well, so we can get it used to it. So the cable is only this long, so it's probably, we'll have to find out. We've got a tape measure to hand. So let's just, so this is, let's find out how long it is. So inches from where, so from where you plug it in, you know. So if you plugged it in, so we're going to take off this part and take off this part so you get the length of the cable. It is 39" long. So you get 39" long, which is just short of a metre cable. So that's it really, guys. So what we are going to do is we're going to go set this up, and we'll see this on the vlog. If you've got a wireless charger, let us know in the comments below. Let us know if it's a yootech, and if you have a yootech one, let us know what you think of it. Let us know if you have this precise one as well, what you think of this. So yeah, we'll yeah, we're going to go set this up now. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you yootech for sending this out. They do some really, I really do like yootech. In fact, my wireless chargers are all yootech, to be honest. The ones I use now are all yootech. So they're really nice. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up. Give me a truck, subscribe, become a truck yourself. If you haven't liked this video, hit that dislike button, guys. Leave down below in the comments what you reckon to this charger, if you've got a yootech charger. If you've got any wireless charger, what you reckon to in general. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is Truck A Pure. Have a wonderful day and goodbye for now.